Ready? Start. You would therefore make the statement that a certain sound took place at say 5 seconds past the hour. I would say that it happened at about 2 or 3 seconds past the hour while the pupil at the works would say that it took place just at the hour full stop. So that when we say that a certain thing happened at a certain time, we really mean that it happened at that time in relation to our own position at that moment. Full stop stanza. The relation of time to distance and the relation to the immediate time to time as a whole are subjects in which people grow more and more interested. Full stop. Two interesting plays have been written round the idea that everything that has happened in the past is still in existence. The point made by the plays being that a person who has a certain special sense highly developed can go back into the past and experience old and past events. Full stop stanza. But interesting as these ideas may be, there is another and much more usual point of view from which to consider time. Full stop. For all the general purposes of everyday life, we all understand time quite well. Full stop. We know that each day is made up of 24 hours, that there are near 23 hours to the day and never 25. Full stop. We know that the little hands marking the passing of the minutes and hours move on at their even rate, and that although they work in our service, they work without any regard to our personal and special interest. Full stop. They will work no more quickly when life is taking us towards some special pleasing event, and they will not less lessen their rate when we are moving towards something less pleasing. Full stop stanza. We know that time influences us in the doing of every piece of work. For all work to have its highest value has to be done to time. Full stop. The chief who calls the members of the board together for a certain time must be ready when the board meets with the facts, figures, or questions which he wishes to put to the members. Full stop. He depends not only upon his own work in this connection, but upon the work of all directly working with him, from the most experienced man in this employ to the most recent of the office boys. Full stop. The motor manufacturer must show recognize the year's work of all his men, that he not only supplies the day-to-day demand of the public for his product, but also has his new goods quite ready for the market at the expected time full stop.